Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another video. For those who don't know who I am, I'm Jasmine, your YouTube ad specialist, and my goal through this channel is to teach you how to excel in YouTube ads. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. In this video, you will get to know how to get started with Google Tag Manager and set up this conversion tracking tool with Google Ads, your websites and Google Analytics. Before you even go to set up this tracking tool, you need to know what GTM is. Basically, it is a JavaScript code that helps you track all the actions of your websites. In the marketing world, it's called as marketing tags. So we are going to be setting up several marketing tags through GTM. It is easy to get the code and you don't even have to go to the developers for it. Everything is available for you in this one platform. So we must be wondering, why GTM? GTM becomes very handy when you have a lot of tags to manage in your websites. For example, to know how many visits you have on your website. Imagine you have a product on a website that you want to track to see how many people are interested in your product and how many people are buying your products. So that's when GTM comes into picture. GTM becomes very handy when you have to manage several tags on your website because all of these codes are stored in one place and all these actions are very easy to track now. So guys, let's get started with it, and if you have any questions, please mention in the comments below. In this video, I'm going to show you how certain actions from your website can be tracked. Let's say, for example, I have this website and this contains sign-up pages, subscribe, opt-in, and I want to track every time anyone subscribes to this page or through this website. GTM will track all these actions once you fire up the tags from these pages. So all you need is a Google Tag Manager account and a Google Ads account. If you haven't yet created a Google Ads account, check my previous video on how to set up your ad account. It's just a 3-step process and it's quite simple. Now, to create a Google Tag Manager account, you need to give in all your website details, and once you are on this screen, go to Admin, and under Container you have something called as Install a Google Tag Manager. Over here you see a JavaScript code which contains a head and a body. All you need to do is just copy these codes and paste it in your website's backend system. Now, to cross-verify that Google Tag Manager code is properly installed, you have a Chrome plugin which is free. You need to install this plugin and then go to your website. Say for instance, I'm just checking if Google Tag Manager is properly installed in this website, and when I just click on Google Tag Assistant plugin and go down, over here it says Google Tag Manager is installed. So the code is set up here. Say for example, I want to track this particular action where anyone comes to the sign up page, fills in all their information and clicks on next. So here I go to Google Tag Manager. Under workspace, I have something called as new tag, so I add a new tag and I name this as Google Ads Conversion Create Free Account. Okay, and for the tag configuration I would go for Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Now it asks me some information like conversion ID, conversion label, conversion value, etc, etc. So over here I need to go to my Google Ads account now, and under Tools you go to Conversions under Measurement. Over here I already have some conversion actions set up for my website. As you see, it gives you information from which source it's coming from. So this is from a website and it's up one particular page that the conversion is tracked, and you see I have a lot of conversions in here for that particular page. You can even have your conversion window set up. Over here I have set it up for 30 days. So now to create a new conversion action, I click on the plus icon and it asks me what kind of conversions I want to track. So you have websites, applications, calls, and even you can import conversions from your Google Analytics. But in this case, I want to track a website conversion. So I just click on website, and under category I go for sign up. So I name this as create free account GTM, and the value for this conversion I would choose same value for each conversion. So every conversion I have, I would give a value to it. So over here I'm going to give $1 for each conversion, and the conversion count would be 1, which is recommended for signups. So anytime anyone signs up a free account, it is considered as a conversion. So the click-through conversion window, I would just keep it as 30 days, and view-through conversion window would be 1 day. And always make sure the include in conversions, you check the box and it needs to be yes. And the attribution window, I would keep it as anytime who clicked last on the sign up page, and I would go for create and continue. And now it says I have created my conversion action, and I now need to set up a tag. So I would go to install a Google Tag Manager, and you see I do have the conversion ID that was required in the Google Tag Manager and the conversion label as well. So I go back to Google Tag Manager and I copy and paste the conversion ID and the conversion label. That's it. It's as simple as that. So you don't have any other information to fill up. It's not necessary except for the currency code. Let me just keep it as USD, and over here you have nothing to fill it up. But now comes triggering. So this is most important. So anytime anyone comes here on the sign up page, I want Google Tag Manager to trigger me and consider that as an action. So the trigger here would be, I would have to create it a page view. So let me just click on the plus icon here. It wouldn't be all pages, it will be just one particular page, and I would be naming it as create free account, and it would be a page view, and this trigger fires on some page views. So anytime a page URL contains sign up, it would be considered as a trigger and a conversion. So it's set up here, and I have the trigger and the tag configuration set up. I just click on save, and it's created for me to go ahead and check. I have already few conversion actions set up. So over here, this is the one that we created just now. Google Ads conversion, create free account. Now after this, the second step over here we have to do is make sure to add a conversion linker tag as Google Ads says us. So for us to create a conversion linker tag, again go back to workspace and add a new tag, and I would be naming this as Google Ads conversion linker. Okay, and the tag configuration would be conversion linker, and you don't have to do any changes here. Just again go to triggering, and over here the triggering needs to be all pages. So anytime who comes to the website, it would have a conversion linker triggered. So I just click on save. So okay, so it's created. Again, to cross verify it, you just go to tags, and under tags you have Google Ads conversion linker. So now you go back to Google Ads and click on next and then done, because we already have a Google Tag Manager installed for that particular page. And over here you see create free account GTM. So we have a Google Tag Manager for the sign up. Now go back once to Google Tag Manager. Under workspace you do have an option called preview, so just click on preview. Okay, so after you click on preview, now you see you're on a preview mode, and for you to go ahead and check if the tag is triggered on your website, just go to your website and click on refresh. The conversion action set up with Google Tag Manager. And once you see that the tag has been set up, just click on submit. And when you click on submit, it will ask you for a version name, for which you just need to mention it as Google Ads Conversion, and you don't have to mention anything else, and just click on publish. Et voila! It gives you information about how many tags are created and triggers as well. So I have created few tags before. So over here you can see your Google Ads Conversion Linker tag and Google Ads Create Free Account tag, and you have the triggers for it as well created. So yes, that's it, and now you're set to go. Okay, now you have an overview of GTM and know how to use it. If you have any questions, please mention in the comments below and I'll be answering to all your questions. If you want to learn more about GTM, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates on this topic. Thank you.